Hi, my name's Rob from Denny, Menholt, Chevrolet. We're going to talk about tread depth on tires. Two ways you can do it. You can use a special tool. If you don't have a special tool, we can use a penny. I'll show you how to do it with the special tool. You put it in between the tread depths right there. Start with it out quite a ways. Push it down lightly. Pick it up. Read it. This one's at 430 seconds according to this. That's time to replace. With a penny, you can take Lincoln's head, stick it down in the tread. If his head is showing, the tire needs to be replaced. In this case, the tire needs to be replaced. And we can go up to the front tire. The front tire's actually got a little bit more tread. We'll just do it with this one. 730 seconds. Now if you look at with the penny you can see how it's covering quite a bit of his head. So in this particular case, it's a lack of tire rotation, so he actually needs tires in the rear, not the front. Talk about how to check your air filter in your vehicle. Now, this one particular one has 4 T20 torque screws that you got to take out of the way to get to it. We'll pry it back up. I got 3 of them off already. We're just going to take the one off. The reason why you want to check your air filter is to help in fuel mileage and drivability as far as hesitations and stuff like that goes. It can affect it. We pull the top of the air cleaner box back. That's what the air filter looks like. 2 ways you look at it is hold it up to the light, use a flashlight to try seeing light through it, and if you look you can see where the light is. So this one isn't too awful bad. Another way you can do it is hold it like this and drop it on the ground. If you pick it up and there's a lot of dirt there, you know it needs to be replaced. This one actually is in really good shape. I don't recommend blowing them out with compressed air because you can actually tear it. Now you have a big hole in it. Dirt gets in your engine. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. We're talking about how to replace wiper blades. If you kind of look at this windshield, you can see how it's all smearing. It's not doing a very good job. It's time to replace them. So the easiest way to replace them, and there's different ways, but like this one has a push button in the middle, and you push that, slide it up. You see how that slid up out of the way? Pull it off. You see how that one's all chewed out right in the middle? That one needs to be replaced. Put it back on, lift it up, slide it in there till you hear a snap. Good to go.